Today we're showcasing some of the dashboards that we've built to allow end users to drill into and really get into the details of the parking data from our eXactpark deployment. We built this dashboard because static reports or Excel spreadsheets that showcase percentage used or average dwell time for parking stalls just weren't cutting it, and the end users were interested in understanding answers to questions they had. And so this Power BI platform really allows the end user to get into the details of the data and answer questions that they may have. So the top table at the top here just showcases by day the number of minutes parked in specific zones, how many vehicles stayed over the 2-hour time limit, and a few other details here. So users can scroll through here, they can sort by anything they like and start to get an understanding of what happened during this, whatever time frame they'd like to choose. The bottom graph here is a picture that really tells the story of parking availability. So in this case, given its test data, it does show that for the month of March, we never really passed 50% availability or utilization. So you can see on a specific day, you can just pick a day here. So you can pick March 17th. Let's say we want to see what happened on St. Patrick's Day. So you can see that 8,646 minutes were parked in the prime time that day, and there were 290 vehicles there. You can see in the trends that Sundays are our least amount used days when it comes to parking, and sometimes you just don't get that from the spreadsheet. So having the ability for the end users to drill into the data allows them to see trends and really get a handle on the amount of parking and the amount of utilization.